Crypto had the biggest crash in history. Over 25 billion vanished from the market in just 24 hours. Bitcoin dropped from 122,000 to 104. That is a 14% drop overnight. Ethereum crashed over 12%, and some altcoins like Doge or AVAX lost half their value. Over 19 billion in leverage positions got liquidated in a single day. If you're investing in crypto and have thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars invested, you felt that drop. But here's the thing. It doesn't have to be that way. In fact, our top performing clients not only didn't lose any money, but even made a profit with this crash, all without taking a single trade, trying to time the market, or investing more than 30 minutes per week. So that being said, let me show you how you can use this same system to your advantage. All right, guys, so I'm here in my computer, and the first thing that I want to share with you is the results that I have had using this system over the last 30 days. Now, keep in mind that these are results that happened during the crash of the crypto market. So that being said, first I want to be full transparent with you guys. You can see my demo is turned off here. And if I refresh the screen, this is from an 80K account. You can see that in the last 30 days, I have done in PNL. This is not bot profit. This is actually realized positions. So whatever the bot made me at the end of the 30 days is sitting at about $18,000. In an 80K in account is more than 20% in returns. Considering this crash, I would say that's pretty damn good. Now, these are the active bots that I have working. Right now, I have 6 bots diversified in a 53K investment. And so far, I'm up about 1.82%, with some of the bots being up in the USDT value 4% in just about 3 days, averaging 1.29% a day. Now, if you don't know what this system is about, it is called loop trading system, similar to grid bots, just far more profitable, because it's going to allow you to capitalize from the volatility of the market without creating the fake profit called also as bot profit. Bot profit is not real profit. You can make thousands of dollars in bot profit if your PNL, which is unrealized profit, is zero or even worse, negative. You're not going to take a single dollar to your crypto wallet. So that is what this strategy focuses on, is in maximizing the unrealized profit and making it realized profit at the highest PNL possible. To clarify and show you an example, for example, I recently shut down this bot in 3 days and 12 hours. I made a 5%, or this one, $567 in 2 days. Now notice how much volatility there is going on here. This one, $1,227 in 1 day, or even this one that I shut it down with a 31% or $6,112 in 10 days and 9 hours. Now you might be wondering, Emilio, I see these bots, I see these results, they look great. Why the hell the bots are only running for a couple of days, maybe a couple of weeks? Now, the reason why that is because this system is very different from what there is out there. We actually focus on maximizing profits by securing them whenever we receive an exit confirmation from one of the bots we deploy. That is what we do with our clients and their accounts. So for example, in this account, I received the exit confirmation when it hit a 31%, and that was trading for 10 days and 9 hours. So all I had to do was implement a 3-step systematic approach that I'm about to show you right now. So the first thing we have to focus on the 3-step systematic approach is the cryptocurrency. Now, just because it profits from the volatility of the market, and as you know, crypto is super volatile. I mean, for God's sake, we just experienced the biggest crash in the market. We're still going to be focusing on high value cryptocurrencies because even high value cryptocurrencies have a ton of volatility, but this is our way to diversify risk. And also the settings of the bot. So I'm going to show you what settings I use when it comes to setting up the bot. And the most important thing, and something that almost nobody talks about, because they think that if you set up a crypto trading bot, then it's meant to be running 24/7, 365 days. That is a lie. A bot is meant to execute trades for you, but you must have an exit confirmation, because at the end of the day, crypto, and it's a risky market. So if you're setting up a bot, you must set up an exit confirmation as well, so you know when you will be shutting down the bot. Now, by all means, the bot will be executing buy and sell orders during all the time, but you need to be aware on when you will be shutting down the bot. Take your profits out of the market so you can have that consistency over time. This is the system that allows me to make easily more than 6% a month, and it's actually what we guarantee our clients they will be making once we help them install it as well. Now, which cryptocurrency do you have? Which cryptocurrency do you even set up? Now, the process on how you find coins is by actually going to CoinMarketCap and just taking a look into the first 10 cryptocurrencies, or even potentially the first 20 cryptocurrencies. Say for this example, I'm going to be using Litecoin. Now, once you have detected the cryptocurrency, oh, by the way, when we're searching for a cryptocurrency, we want to make sure that the coin has been moving sideways or in a range for at least 4 years. In the case of Litecoin, what we can see is that since 2017, Litecoin has been around the same price, anywhere between $50 to $125. The only difference is that we're going to be profiting from this volatility, and I will show you how you can do it as well. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come to TradingView and we're going to search the coin. So in this example, it will be Litecoin. Once we have done that, we're going to install this indicator called the CBA 2.0 indicator. It is one of the best creations we have done in CBA because it's going to tell you whether or not it is a good time to set up the bot. That is actually one of the confirmations we're looking for. It's not only about blindly setting up your bot with what you believe or what you are told are the best settings. It's also about what is the confirmation to set up a profitable crypto trading bot. In this case, our indicator is telling us that we are in a good entry, so we can go ahead and set up the bot. Also, it is telling us that it is a high volatility coin, which is great because that's what we're looking for. But we want to make sure that it's in a high value coin that ideally has more than 2 billion in market cap, which in this case it does. So we're good. The second indicator we're going to be using is going to be the Smart RSI. By the way, guys, if you want to have access to these indicators, there is going to be a link in the description where you can put in your information, and then I will be contacting to you, and then I will be reaching out to you, asking you for your TradingView username so I can grant you access to these indicators for 14 days. So what do we do now? Let's talk about the settings of the bot. So once you have identified the coin you want to be trading, you see the volatility because the indicator is telling you so. You see the market cap above 2 billion. You see the consistency and the sideways movement. This is a money-making machine. All you need to do left is figure out the settings of the bot and the exit confirmation on when you will be taking profits. In fact, Litecoin is the same. I have running Litecoin right now, and it's averaging me 0.41% a day already. Has been running for 3 days so far. Once we set up the bot, then there is nothing else we have to do. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click on start new bot. We're going to select loop bot. We're going to search the cryptocurrency. So in this case, it's going to be Litecoin. And I'm going to show you how you can use the settings here. First, you want to change the time frame to the daily time frame. And the goal is that the price is right in the middle, which is what the indicator calculates for you. You don't want to be setting up the bot all the way to the top or all the way to the bottom. It needs to be right in the middle. So right now it's actually a perfect timing. So then once you have that confirmation, you're going to click on manual adjustment, and we want to increase the order distance in a way that it covers all the way down and all the way up, so we protect ourselves. So in that case, I'm just going to increase this slightly so it covers all the way down. Maybe it's going to be 2%. Yeah, 2% is good enough. We're covering the top and we're covering pretty much all the bottom. Then you click on continue and start the bot. Then here you make sure you're in the 6-hour time frame and install this indicator. This indicator will tell you when to shut down the bot. Like I said, guys, it is crucial to have an exit confirmation. And if you see anywhere else that, hey, it is a crypto trading bot, you might as well just let it run forever. It's going to do well. That is just not realistic and it's not true. You need to have an exit confirmation to secure profits. For the indicators down below, Once you have access to it, I will let you know. Click on the three dots, click on add alert, but make sure you're first in the 6 hour time frame. If you're not in that time frame, click here, add a custom interval, 6, and then change these to hours, and then add. Then in condition, you're gonna make sure this is a smart RSI, and then here you're gonna select shutdown loop bot. You click here, then message, you can call it something as simple as shutdown Litecoin bot. Notifications, I like to enable email, play sound, and plain text, as well as notify an app. And then you will click on create and you will see it just like. So yeah, guys, this is the system we help our clients implement. We also launch a brand new offer where we do it for them. In fact, with this system, one of our clients, Kyla, she has done more than 29% even in this crash, which is insane because a lot of people got liquidated. And the fact that we are still making money without taking a single trade, without timing the market, is insane. So if you want me and my team help you set all this up for you, you can just relax and let it run. Then click the link below in the description or the first link in the comments and book a call, and we'll see how we can potentially help you. That being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and see you guys on the next video.